Luxurious day in Lugano, a walk through the Swiss streets and a cruise on a crystal Alpine lake. Travel Guide 2025. Welcome to Lugano, where luxury, serenity, and Swiss-Italian culture meet in one of Europe's most charming lake towns. Join us on a 4K cinematic journey as we explore cobblestone streets, lakeside promenades, elegant piazzas, and glide across the emerald waters of Lake Lugano. Whether you dream of an upscale retreat, romantic escape, or alpine adventure, Lugano offers a day you'll never forget. Our day begins in style. Waking up in a lakeside hotel like the Splendide Royale or Villa Principe Leopoldo, the aroma of fresh espresso and mountain air fills the morning. Imagine silk sheets, panoramic views of the lake, and breakfast on a terrace that overlooks the rising sun over the Alps. This is Lugano, refined, peaceful, and enveloped by natural beauty. From the very first hour, you understand, this isn't just a city, it's an experience. Stroll through Lugano's old town. After breakfast, we begin our walk through the Centro Storico, Lugano's charming old town. The streets are lined with pastel-colored buildings, boutique shops, and open-air cafes. Here, you'll find traces of Italian influence everywhere, in the language, the gelato, the fashion. Stop at Piazza della Riforma, the city's social heart. Browse the high-end stores like Louis Vuitton and local artisan shops. Art galleries are tucked between 17th century churches. Every alley invites you to slow down, look up, and soak in the atmosphere. Parco Ciani, the green jewel. Just a short walk from the city center, you enter Parco Ciani, often called one of the most beautiful parks in Switzerland. Stroll past century-old trees, blooming flower beds, and fountains. Benches invite you to pause and admire Lake Lugano's turquoise waters. Children laugh in playgrounds, artists sketch by the shoreline, and locals read under magnolia trees. This peaceful oasis blends the wildness of nature with the structure of elegance. The park's grand entrance, framed by classical gates and sculptures, feels like a movie set. As we leave the park, we step onto Lugano's iconic Lakefront Promenade. This path stretches along the water, offering views of Monte Brè and Monte San Salvatore. Swans glide across the lake. Yachts sparkle under the sunlight. Grab a gelato from Vanini, or sip a cappuccino under the umbrellas of lakeside cafes. Locals cycle past, couples walk hand in hand, and the entire promenade hums with gentle energy. It's a place where time seems to slow. Now, we board a classic Swiss boat for a private or public cruise on Lake Lugano. The waters shimmer in shades of green and blue, surrounded by dramatic peaks and quaint villages. Sail past Gandria, a cliffside hamlet with no roads, only steps and silence. Stop at Morcote, often called the prettiest village in Switzerland, where bougainvilleas spill from balconies. From the deck, the city of Lugano glows under the sun like a jewel. On board, enjoy a glass of Prosecco or local Merlot as the lake breeze whispers across your face. This is the highlight of the day. Serene, cinematic, and unforgettable. Back on shore, we head to Ristorante La Cucina di Alice or Grotto della Salute for a leisurely lunch. Fresh fish from the lake, handmade pasta, olive oil from Ticino, and views that stretch for miles. Swiss-Italian cuisine is all about freshness, simplicity, and flavor. Pair it with a Tysonese white wine and toast to this perfect day. Mountain views from Monte Brè. Next, we take the funicular to Monte Brè, one of the sunniest spots in Switzerland. At the summit, panoramic views await. Lugano below, Lake Lugano stretching into Italy, and the snow-tipped peaks in the distance. Wander through the tiny Brè village, where ancient houses, artists' studios, and narrow paths speak of another time. This peaceful mountaintop is a haven above the luxury below. As the sun begins to set, we return to our hotel terrace. With a drink in hand, we watch the lake turn gold and the mountains cast long shadows. It's a perfect ending to a perfect day. The lights of Lugano begin to twinkle, church bells ring in the distance, and as darkness falls, the city takes on a magical glow. Lugano is elegance. It's peace, beauty, and timeless style, all wrapped in alpine perfection. Whether you come for a day or stay for a season, you'll leave with memories that last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more cinematic travel stories from the most beautiful places on Earth.